So this used to be my living room. Now it's the guinea pig room. And that's their little floor time area and their nighttime cage. And all their little fleece and all their goodies that they need. Boy, I tell you what, they have really taken over. And then there's this. I don't know who gave them my credit card number. This is ridiculous, girls. Have y'all been shopping? Is that what's been going on, Maine? You enjoying your breakfast? Oh, you're giving to say hi. No, you're going to hide. Sorry, your sister's already in there. They can barely fit in that hidey together anymore. Yeah, you really can't fit in there, can you, Georgia? Just have some grass, it'll be fine. Oh, you found the dandelion. That's her favorite. There's one more in there. You should come out and get it, Maine. Uh-huh. You can just snag some and pull it in there with you, huh? Alright, fine. Alright, enjoy your breakfast, girls. I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone, Georgia. Yeah. Cuteness.